All right, well, soybean harvest has started. Here's the tractor and grain cart. And the combine is right there in that cloud of dust. So we're back here on the tobacco farmer. What we're gonna do is cut two grain cart loads. The truck driver's got his semi sitting at the grain bins. This is back at little lane right there at the railroad tracks. So the semi cannot come back here. The semi cannot come back this lane. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the cart, and it'll be me in front of the cart flagging, and we're gonna run it up to the grain bins and load the truck twice. That'll be a full load. And then once that gets loaded, we're gonna hop right across here and start on some of our beans and start binning them. The 2 tractors and 2 wagons are sitting on the 18-acre part of this farm, and we'll start binning them. I just set the auger up so we'll be good to go. Depends on if we get to cut any tonight or not. It's 6:30 right now, and there's no wind, so the dew might stop us, but we'll just see here.